make our pizza lunch.
I've got an idea. If we can find the floating ingredients we need to make pizza, we can pop those bubbles and catch the ingredients.
Yay, Gabby! Lunch is saved!
Let's start with the crust. What can we use to make the best pizza crust? Dough, macaroni, or a rice cake? The dough!
Lunch and Munchkins to the rescue! Whee!
Got it! Okay, which of these do we need for our pizza? Strawberry syrup, sunflower butter, or tomato sauce? Tomato sauce, yeah!
On it! Hup. Got it!
We need one more important ingredient to put on top.
We need cheese! Easy peasy, nice and cheesy. Just needs the kitty face. 2 olive eyes. And red peppers for the nose, mouth, and whiskers. Ooh, and some basil for the ears. Ready for baking! Ooh, can't forget the strawberry milk. Thanks, Gabby. Thanks, Candy.
Aww.
Now we just need some cheese sauce. Give it a stir, Pandy. Cheesy. Mac and cheese is ready.
I've got the tiny bowls. Pandy, how many bowls do we need?
Let's see. How many bowls of mac and cheese are on Cat Rat's list? 4!
I'm on it. Hang on. I think I need a different serving tool. Okay, we need 4 bowls of macaroni and cheese. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice.
And how many mashed potatoes?
How many bowls of mash?
3. 1, 2, 3. All right, order up.
And dinner is served. Who's hungry?
How's everything tasting in there?
I think that's hamster kitty for delicious. Do you like snacks? You're gonna love this song. Yum, yum. This is an ode to all my favorite snacks. See how many you know. Let's go. Apples, bananas, and berries. Cucumbers, grapes, and cherries. Mix them up all together in a smoothie. Or one by one if you're choosy. Take a pickle and pop it in a sandwich. Like magic, I make snacks vanish. So many flavors, so many treats. So many pan-delicious things to eat. I got a snacky in my packy. Yum, yum, yum. I got a snacky in my packy. Yum, yum, yum. I got a snacky in my packy. If you're feeling kind of snacky, I can give you some. It's my favorite thing to do. Ooh, 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 ooh. I bet you love snacking too. There's almost too many to name. But I'll keep going. Sardine ice cream, have you tried it? Hey, you never know, you might just like it. How about a cookie with a little bit of cheese? And sprinkle some granola, please. Any combo, never say never. Mixing it up makes snack time better. So many flavors, so many treats. So many pan-delicious things to eat. Yum! I got a snacky in my packy. Yum, yum, yum. I got a snacky in my packy. Yum, yum, yum. I got a snacky in my packy. If you're feeling kind of snacky, I can give you some. It's my favorite thing to do. I bet you love snacking too. Let me hear ya! I got a snacky in my packy. Yum, yum, yum. I got a snacky in my packy. Yum, yum, yum. I got a snacky in my packy. If you're feeling kind of snacky, I can give you some. It's my favorite thing to do. I bet you love
Okay, Kiki. What is your favorite thing about being a Gabby Cat?
Oh, I know. My favorite thing is making snacks with you. Let's bake it with Keiki. Sprinkle party! Let's make Cat Rat's favorite sandwich together.
Bread, pickle, cheese.
And hot sauce. Cha-cha-cha!
Bread, pickle, cheese.
And hot sauce. Cha-cha-cha! We made Cat Rat's favorite sandwich together. It's his favorite Sammy ever. Cha-cha-cha!
That's for me.
We're gonna make yummy buggies. Grab a piece of celery, let's start small. Spread sunflower butter on it all. Pick blueberries or raisins just like so. Yummy buggies, grow, grow, grow. Let's go!
Grow, grow, grow.
Let's go! You want to learn how to make my sticky cat paws? First, we roll the dough. We're rolling, Now give it a swirl and a twirl. We're swirling, we're twirling. Now put them in your oven and watch them rise. Watch them rise, watch them rise. Then we add my super sticky frosting. Yeah!
Frost the paws, frost the paws.
And now,
This is my favorite part.
eat 'em up, eat 'em up.
Eat 'em up, eat 'em up.
We did it! Yum!
Mush and mash and mix in a dash of lemon and a drop of honey. Lemon and a drop of honey. Mush and mash and mix in a dash of lemon and a drop of honey. Lemon and a drop of honey.
Snack art is yummy to make when you make it with your favorite cupcakes. Add some mini marshmallows, fill it all in, and the frosting melt so we can sing. Nice!
Ooh, art can be yummy to make when you make it with your favorite cupcakes.
Let's go! You just gave me a great idea for a ghostly good snack.
Kitty Ghost Pops.
Kitty Ghost Pops?
Yup. Wanna help me make some?
Oh, yeah!
Count me in.
Sprinkle-rific! The first thing we need is my jiggly gelatin mixture. It's in a big blue bowl with stars on it. In the kitty fridge.
We'll get it. Hi, Kitty Fridge. Where's the big blue bowl with stars on it?
I got it. Jiggly gelatin. Coming in for a landing.
Thank you! Now, I'm just gonna pour the gelatin into our molds. There! Whoopsie! Oh!
Invisible cleanup. Easy peasy. No one can see me.
Now we just add our wooden sticks. And now we need one more thing. Gummy kitty ghosts! Pick your favorite one.
Meow. Follow me, kitty ghosts.
Oh!
Now we just pop them in the fridge until they're ready.
I'm on it. In you go.
Hey, kitty fridge. Meow. Will you let us know when our ghost pops are ready? Meow, meow.
I'll get 'em.
Thanks, Kitty Fridge.
Now we're in for a treat. A kitty ghost pop treat.
This is tasty.